All right, hello and good morning. Let's take a look at how to work these, okay? So here we go. Um, this will probably be the last day of literal equations, so make sure you understand them. So look up here. You're trying to get r by itself, so you want to get rid of t. Remember, if they're right next to each other like this, that means multiply. So you want to divide by t, and you're done. So r is equal to d divided by t. This one right here, you're trying to get x, and you basically have a fraction equal to a fraction, but x is on the bottom. So what you want to do is flip both of these reciprocal. And when you do that, you're dividing by PV, so you want to multiply by PV, and this cancels. So x is equal to C times P times V divided by AB. Okay? So the trick there is take the reciprocal. Number 3, you're trying to get V, draw a line. You're not worried about this one, but you got to get rid of this and this. The whole thing here, you're going to add 16t squared. And that cancels. Then you're going to divide by t, and you're done. And there's your answer. Okay, so add and then divide. Last one. This one you've seen before. You're trying to get f, but you got to get rid of this fraction first. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, you're dividing by 9, so you want to multiply by 9, and this cancels. And then you want to divide by 5. That cancels. And then all you got to do is add 32, and you're done. So it's going to be 9 times c divided by 5 plus 32 is equal to Fahrenheit. That's how you do it. Today, I want you to finish the back of the worksheet from yesterday. If you need one, it's over here on the table. And then I want you to go to the book and work these. Leave your work out. Do not pack up early. I will walk around and check it. Let's turn our attention now to college algebra. All right, so on college algebra, let's take a look and let's see which one would be the best to get rid of. And I'm trying to figure this out right here. This is a S, and this is a 5. All right, so let me think. I guess I'll go after the S's. So I'm going to use the first and the last. Okay? And the reason why I'm doing that is because these are going to cancel. So that's going to give me negative 6 plus 4 is going to give me a negative 2. Here, the S's cancel, and then here I get plus 7t is equal to whatever this one and this one is, a negative 15 it looks like. Okay, that's my first equation. My second one, I guess I'm going to use these two right here. But to do that, I need a plus 5 right here. So I'm going to multiply this one by 5 and then add it to this one. So that's going to give me a negative 10 plus 4 is going to give me a negative 6. Okay? This is going to give me a plus 5 and a minus 5, that cancels. This gives me a negative 20 plus 5, or rather a positive 20 plus 5 is going to be 25t. And then this times this is going to give me a negative 45, and then minus 4 is going to give me a negative 49. I think that should work. All right, so we have two equations and two variables. Now we've got to make one of these cancel. I'm going to multiply this top one by negative 3, because a negative 3 and a negative 2 is going to give me a positive 6. So the r is going to cancel. Okay? That gives me 6 minus 6. This one gives me a negative 21, and then plus 25. That's going to give me positive 4, I guess it is. Right? Okay? And then this one, 3 times 15, I I guess, is 45, but a negative times a negative. So that's going to be a positive 45, and then this is a negative 49, and that gives me a negative 4. And I like that because it's going to go evenly to a negative 1, and RST, and they have negative 1 right here. So I know I'm on the right track. So I have that one. Now, you get to pick one of these equations to figure out R. I'm going to go with this one. I'm going to say negative 2R plus 7t is equal to negative 15. I'm going to substitute right here negative 1. So I'm going to get negative 2R minus 7 is equal to a negative 15. I'm going to add 7, and I'm going to get negative 2R is equal to whatever that is, a negative 8. And that's going to be a positive 4, I think it is. And that's what they have. Okay, so now you got to get the last one. So you get to pick one of these three equations. I'm not going to work it, but the one that I like, I think this one. I would use this one. So I would substitute the R right here, which is 4. Scratch that out. And then I would substitute the T, scratch that out, negative 1. And then work this out for S, and if you can, you get your answer, which should be 3. Today we're doing this. I want you to finish the back of worksheet A, and then I want you to go to the book. All right, I'll see you guys in class. Have a good morning.